Hello there. In this video, I'm going to go over numerous health benefits of turmeric water. Welcome to our channel. This is Healthy and Harmonious. This video will change your opinion about turmeric. But how? With the evolving and growing diseases and health issues, people have started getting conscious about their health and wellness more than ever before. There are fitness consultants everywhere, and people pay thousands to get the right medications and vitamins to keep them fit and healthy. What we don't realize is that these artificial pills usually come with side effects and consequences. So why not look for natural and abundantly found products to improve our health? The best and gold-worthy natural product is none other than turmeric. That's right, turmeric has all those health benefits that your pills won't give you. In this video, I will tell you about the benefits of turmeric water on your health and appearance. Make sure you watch the video till the end because I have some amazing tips for you that will change your life. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And while you're at it, press the bell icon too for more amazing content to help you live a better lifestyle. Turmeric is said to be the king of all spices. That's because it has so many benefits that it will leave you astonished. Number 1. Helps in lowering your cholesterol level. People having a high cholesterol level are always at the risk of heart diseases because cholesterol is basically fat and it accumulates in the veins of our hearts. This ends up blocking the blood flow and can cause a heart attack. Drinking turmeric water daily lowers cholesterol accumulation in veins and can prevent heart diseases. Number 2. Eases pain and helps you relax. Turmeric water has been proven to ease pain and relax muscles and has been a go-to treatment for many people around the globe. A lot of people use this formula when they fall sick or are going through a hard time mentally, which makes them stressed. So, next time you're having muscle ache or are going through a rough day, avoid your painkillers and antidepressants and just make yourself turmeric water and you'll be good to go. Number 3. Gives you a glowing skin. Drinking turmeric water every morning will do wonders for your skin. Women in the subcontinent make extra efforts in looking more fair. They use all sorts of home remedies to improve their complexion. Turmeric water is their top secret recipe for getting the perfect glowing skin and complexion. Here's a little tip. While drinking turmeric water can be extremely helpful, you can also make a paste of it and apply it directly to your skin. Leave it on for a little while and rinse off. You'll have the perfect glass skin if you apply it religiously for a few months. Say no to harmful face creams and treatments because turmeric water got your back. Number 4. Make your immune system strong as a rock. Are you someone who's prone to bacterial diseases and other infections? Does your immune system have a hard time fighting foreign bacteria in your body? Well, you're not weak, you just don't have turmeric water in your diet. Make sure you drink at least 1 glass of turmeric water every day. It would be best if you take it in the morning. Wait and watch the magic. Bye-bye sickness. Number 5. Helps in losing weight. That's right, turmeric water has properties that would help you lose weight. Many health consultants suggest mixing turmeric powder in lukewarm water and drink it once every day. Make it a routine and you'll soon notice the change. Number 6. Cures indigestion. Having a sleepless night because you have an upset stomach? No need to worry about it anymore. Get yourself a glass of turmeric water and cure your indigestion. Turmeric water stimulates the activities in your bladder and helps in producing bile. And then eventually your metabolic rate increases, helping in digesting food faster. Forget getting all lousy because of a stomachache or indigestion. Number 7. Prevent diseases like Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is a disease caused by the production of a protein called beta amyloid. This compound damages the tissues and cells in our bodies that leads to Alzheimer's. Turmeric contains curcumin, which blocks and prevents the production of beta amyloid, therefore preventing you from getting Alzheimer's. So keep yourself safe and healthy by the daily intake of turmeric water. Make turmeric water a part of your life. It is immensely essential that we realize the need of natural substances. Our bodies need extra care and protection in a world where diseases and viruses are ever increasing. Factory-made products might give us instant results and cures, but they have long-term side effects and are not always safe to use. Turmeric water can be used by people belonging to any age group because it barely has any side effects. So, you can make your kids drink a glass of it every morning and prevent them from catching common colds and flu, especially in winters. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments below if you know about more natural products that give you a better lifestyle and health benefits. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to get the amazing videos from Healthy and Harmonious.